Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 3-in-1 video edit in CapCut PC. I'm going to select this ratio first and I'm just going to leave that like this first. And then I'm just going to select some more videos, maybe from the scenery one. I'm going to add, let's say, this. I'm going to put it up there. Hold on. Whoops. And I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to resize that. And I'm going to select the mask, and I'm going to select the horizontal one. I'm going to rotate it, and I'm going to basically feather that out. Like so. Then I'm just going to place this person a little bit down here. Copy and paste, and on the second one I'm going to select cutout, and I'm going to select the auto cutout section. Then for the sky on top, I'm just going to add the sky video, and I'm just going to place it underneath the cutout. Whoops, on this layer. I'm trying to place it. There we go. And I'm going to place that on top. I'm also going to mask this. You don't have to, but I just prefer to do that. Whoops. Keep on pressing the mask at the wrong one. And there you go. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!